Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am showing you a happy mail outgoing to my best friend of 40 years plus, and I'm just going to show you the gift that I've created with her with this Echo Park Let's Be Mermaids collection. This collection is really very colorful, very almost childlike. And I'm going to start off here by showing you how I decorate the outside of the box, and then I'm going to show you everything inside. I'm going to walk through a card that I created, and I'm going to show you exactly how I created it, and then I'll show you the boxing of everything as it's going out. So here I've got a title that I've had as the main base of the box that I've decorated. And so this box here is actually going inside of another box. And what I've started to do now is I've actually started shipping in these boxes because they are really fantastic boxes for shipping. But I was sending her something for her daughter as well in the same bigger box. So this is what I did with the cover. I've layered all sorts of beautiful textures and colors, and you can see this gorgeous flag. This was gifted to me in a happy mail that I can link for you here that came from Brandy, and it is really a very beautiful gift that she sent me. You should definitely go check out that video. And I'm going to show you the inside. Now, this is a ERIN CONDREN seasonal surprise box that I received this. In all that you do, do it with gratitude. And I'm going to show you everything that I have already mermaid themed. Here are some 31 products. Now, I love these little zip bags. They're like little grocery store bags. They're super useful. I also went to Bath and Body Works and got her some hand sanitizer. There's some lotion and soap and stuff in there. So now I'm going to start working on the card, and I'm going to walk you through my process that I have for putting a card together. When I do a card, I never have a design in mind. I just sort of pick some papers. The reason why I picked this paper for the base of the card is because it has a nice yellow cardstock that I can easily write in on the inside, and in a pretty pattern that's colorful on the outside. And I don't typically go for really bright, busy background papers, but you'll see that I layer up a lot of stuff here that takes away from the busyness of the background. Another thing that you'll notice when I make cards is that I never measure. I always just line things up against each other and sort of wing it. And I also add a lot of stitching. You'll see that coming up really quickly here for a second. I stitched around those cards and I tried to show you, but because I sped up the video so fast, it doesn't really show very well. You'll see that later on in some close-ups. This netting that I have is gorgeous, and it's like a perfect backdrop for this type of project because it is a ocean-themed card and mermaid. It's just the perfect texture to add to things. So I use a lot of the stickers that come with the kit, but I supplement it with a few Tim Holtz word phrase stickers. I really love those stickers. They've gone a long way. I've used them quite a lot. And you'll see I just keep on layering things in here. I have little things that I tuck in and little things that I add on top. And when I take these buttons, I add some little texture of that twine in a bow on top of them. And I glue everything in with my glue gun. It's something that I find stays really well. And then it's not expensive. I'm not using a glue dot every single time you adhere something. And they stick really well. So that works good. So I'll show you up close up here now. You can see that stitching better, as well as how that netting really adds a fun texture to the background. Okay, so I'm putting together the final touches. Just going to lay down some shred here. I've packaged up a gift, Mermaid Kisses, Starfish Wishes. There is a little notebook, which are one of my favorite things of all time. A gift from Bath and Body Works, You Are as Magical as a Mermaid. Inside there's some hand sanitizer and some moisturizer and bath shower gel. From 31, I'm gifting her this little pouch that she can use to put snacks in for work. I'm going to include in it this little mermaid cookie. It's so cute. When I saw it at the store, I just had to include it into this mermaid themed gift package. I tuck that inside there. And also inside this package, I'm going to include a selection of some teas from my new Sips subscription, and a nice little variety to share with her. One thing I like about that Sips by subscription is that you can share the teas. You can taste and sample some yourself, but because they give you 4 of each, it's easy to share some with friends. So I'm going to share that with her. I'm also sharing with her one of my all-time favorite things that I've bought from 31 is these cute little grocery bags or shopping bags that is so handy to have tucked in your purse. It just slips into here, and then when you need to pull it out, it's very light and doesn't take up a lot of space, and it's super handy to have. And then also for her hand sanitizer. She works in the hospital. I suspect that she may get good use out of having a hand sanitizer, but you can actually just put a keychained hand sanitizer on your purse and tuck that in there as well. So I'm just going to add some little shred all about here. And then I'm going to put the card that I've made on top. Okay, gonna spread some more shred in here. Just make sure everything is nicely protected. And I'm going to put my card on top. A few little sprinkles of polka dots for fun. Confetti there. Beautiful. And then you can see the finished product here in my ERIN CONDREN seasonal surprise box from fall. And there's the finished product. I've added her name to the gift, and we'll send that off on its way. So I thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you as part of my crafty community. I post videos of things that I have created, as well as other things that have been sent to me. So if you're interested in following along, hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye. If you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, or subscribe for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.